Ever found yourself wondering where the best place to file your taxes is? It's a question that plagues many of us, especially with the tax season looming over us. But don't fret, we're here to make the process a lot simpler for you. The task of tax filing can often seem daunting. With pages upon pages of forms to fill, numbers to crunch, and laws to decipher, it's easy to see why it's not everyone's favorite pastime. But it's a necessary task, one that requires precision, understanding, and a bit of patience. Now you might be thinking, what makes one platform or service better than the other for filing taxes? Well, there are three key factors to consider: ease of use, affordability, and accuracy. Firstly, ease of use. The tax filing process is already complicated enough, so the last thing you want is a service that makes it even more difficult. A user-friendly interface, clear instructions, and helpful customer support can make all the difference. Next, we have affordability. While some might argue that you can't put a price on peace of mind, it's still important to consider the cost of the service you're using. Whether you're hiring a professional or using a software, you want to ensure you're getting the best bang for your buck. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, is accuracy. The IRS is not known for its leniency when it comes to errors on tax returns. So it's crucial to choose a platform or service that ensures accuracy in every step of the process. So, where do you find a service that checks all these boxes? Well, there are several options out there, each with its own set of pros and cons. Some people prefer the assuredness of a professional accountant, while others like the convenience of tax software solutions. And then there are those who opt for free online filing services. Today, we're going to explore the top 3 places to file your taxes. So buckle up, because we're about to make your tax season a whole lot easier. First up, the traditional route, hiring a professional accountant. We've all heard the saying, you get what you pay for. And when it comes to tax filing, this old adage often holds true. Hiring a professional accountant is like having a personal guide navigate you through the labyrinth of tax codes, regulations, and deductions. With their vast experience and in-depth knowledge, they can help you maximize your returns and minimize your liabilities. They're well-versed in tax laws, keeping up to date with any changes, and can provide expert advice tailored to your specific financial situation. One of the greatest benefits of hiring a professional accountant is the personalized service they provide. They take the time to understand your financial situation, your goals, and your concerns. They're with you every step of the way, ready to answer any questions you might have and help you make informed decisions. This personalized service can bring peace of mind, knowing that your taxes are in safe hands. However, like all good things, this comes with a price. Hiring a professional accountant can be expensive, especially for individuals and small businesses. The cost can vary widely, but it's not uncommon for people to pay several $100s for this service. And let's not forget about the time you'll need to spend gathering your financial documents, organizing your receipts, and scheduling and attending appointments. Moreover, while professional accountants do their best to avoid errors, they're still human and mistakes can happen. If they do, you are ultimately responsible for any inaccuracies in your tax return. In addition, there's the issue of availability. During the busy tax season, getting an appointment with a reputable professional accountant can be quite challenging. You might find yourself waiting weeks for an appointment, which can be stressful if you're racing against the clock to file your taxes. So for those who prefer a personal touch and don't mind paying extra, a professional accountant might be the way to go. Next, we dive into the world of tax software solutions, a realm where technology meets taxes, offering a convenient and efficient way to file your returns. Let's start with the big names. TurboTax, a popular choice for many, is known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive coverage of tax situations. From simple W-2 filings to more complex scenarios involving investments and self-employment, TurboTax has got you covered. It's the equivalent of having a tax professional at your beck and call, guiding you through the process step by step. Next up, we have H&R Block. This software solution is a close competitor to TurboTax, offering a similar range of services. What sets H&R Block apart is its hybrid model, which combines the convenience of online filing with the option of in-person assistance at one of their many brick-and-mortar locations. This approach ensures you're never left high and dry, even when dealing with the trickiest of tax situations. Both TurboTax and H&R Block offer a range of packages, from free basic services to premium options. This means you can choose the level of assistance that matches your needs and budget. However, it's important to note that while these software solutions are incredibly useful, they may not be ideal for everyone. If your tax situation is particularly complex or unusual, you may be better off consulting a tax professional. For instance, if you've recently immigrated, have significant foreign income, or have complex investment scenarios, these software solutions may not provide the detailed guidance you need. That said, for the majority of taxpayers, these software solutions provide a cost-effective and efficient way to file taxes. They can save you time, effort, and potentially a significant amount of money. So, if you're comfortable with technology, don't have an overly complicated tax situation, and are looking to save both time and money, tax software could be an excellent choice. If you're looking for a cost-effective and time-saving option, tax software could be your best bet. Lastly, let's not forget about free online filing services. These platforms have revolutionized the way we approach tax filing, making it more accessible and convenient than ever before. The most obvious advantage of these services is, of course, the cost, or lack thereof. For many of us, the prospect of filing taxes without having to shell out a single dime is incredibly appealing. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and step-by-step guides that walk you through the process, making tax filing as painless as possible. Furthermore, free online filing services are accessible anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. This means you can file your taxes from the comfort of your own home at a time that suits you best. No scheduling appointments, no rushing to meet deadlines. However, while these services have their perks, they also come with certain limitations. For instance, they may not offer the personalized service that you would get from a professional accountant. The software is designed to cater to a broad spectrum of users, and while it can handle most common tax situations, it might not be equipped to deal with more complex scenarios. Additionally, while most free online filing services cover basic federal returns, not all of them include state returns for free. And even those that do might offer less comprehensive filing options or charge extra for additional features and services. It's also worth noting that while these platforms are generally secure, the risk of data breaches and identity theft is something to be mindful of. Always make sure to use a reputable service and protect your personal information. In conclusion, free online filing services offer a cost-effective, convenient solution for tax filing. They're particularly suitable for those with simple tax situations or those who are comfortable handling their own taxes. However, they might not be the best option for those with more complex tax situations or those who prefer a more personalized service. For simple tax situations and budget-conscious individuals, free online filing services can be a great choice. So, we've looked at professional accountants, tax software, and free online services. We began by delving into the world of professional accountants. These are the experts, the people who live and breathe the tax code. The benefits of using a professional accountant are manifold. They offer personalized service, can handle complex tax situations, and may even save you money by finding deductions you might miss. Yet, they come with a higher price tag and may not be necessary for straightforward tax situations. Then we explored tax software solutions. They are a marriage of convenience and technology, offering an efficient, cost-effective way to file your taxes. With user-friendly interfaces and built-in deduction finders, these tools can be particularly useful for those with relatively simple tax situations. However, they lack the personalized touch of a professional and may not be the best choice for those with more complex tax affairs. Finally, we touched upon free online filing services. These platforms offer a basic level of service, perfect for those with straightforward tax situations or tight budgets. They may lack the comprehensive features of paid software or the expertise of a professional accountant, but they make filing taxes accessible to everyone. But when it comes down to it, the best place to file your taxes isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. It's about finding the right fit for you. It's about considering your individual needs, your budget, and your tax situation. It's about weighing the pros and cons and making an informed decision. maybe you need the personalized attention of a professional accountant, or perhaps the convenience of tax software is more your speed. Or it could be that a free online service is all you need to get the job done. Remember, the best place to file your taxes is the one that suits your needs and circumstances the best. Happy tax filing!